Hey everybody, welcome to this episode of 90-second Chromebook tips and tricks. Today I have a keyboard shortcut for you to minimize and maximize your pages in a quick, easy fashion. So if you are looking at a basketball score during March Madness, not that anybody would, you could quickly minimize that page if a student approaches your desk. So here we are. I have Google Keep. I have an app and Chrome browser open for this, but Google Keep's here. When I hit Control Plus, it makes it full size. If I hit Control Plus one more time, it brings it back to that normal size. Control Plus one more time, full size. Control Minus minimizes it quickly. So it stays open down here on my shelf. I can still see it. And I can pull it up, but it is, in effect, gone in that second. The same thing works with my browser. Control Plus, full screen. Control Plus one more time, back to the size it was. Control Minus makes it disappear. So if you have any questions about this, feel free to ask. I hope this helps you guys in the coming weeks. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for tuning in.